In this video, we'll talk about how to open a live account with AAAFx. Go to AAAFx.com and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, go to the dashboard located at the top left corner. Here, select the platform on which you want to open an account with. And then, the type of account from ECN, ECN Plus, ECN 0, and Islamic. Select the leverage and the base currency. Lastly, create a password of your choice. And make sure it complies with the set terms. Once done, click on Create an Account. Now, select the country, and choose the document type you would like to upload. Once it is done, click on Next. An automatic ticket will be generated, and once your account is verified, the ticket will be resolved. You will either get an email or see a tick in the Verification tab in the client portal. Once your account is ready, you can fund your account and start trading. So, this was a brief overview of how to open a live account with AAAFx. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support.